Everybody counts on their car's parking brake to work, but what happens when the button just flashes or beeps? Let's figure out why your e-parking brake might let you down. Today we're breaking down the top reasons your car's electronic parking brake can stop working. First, the basics. Modern e-parking brakes use a motor and sensors instead of a lever. When you push the button, you're asking a tiny computer to do the job. Reason 1, low battery voltage. If your car's battery is weak, the system may not have enough power to engage or release the brake. Try starting your engine or check your battery health. Reason 2, dirty brake components. Over time, dirt or rust can jam the mechanism. If you hear grinding, have a mechanic take a look. Don't try to force it. Reason 3, faulty switch or wiring. Sometimes the button or its wiring wears out. If you press the switch and nothing lights up, this could be your culprit. Reason 4, system errors. Like any computer, the e-parking brake's brain can glitch. Try turning your car off and on again. Sometimes that's all it takes. Bottom line, if your e-parking brake fails, don't panic. Stay safe, check the basics, and call a pro if you're unsure. Your safety comes first. Never ignore a brake warning light. Thanks for watching. Stay safe and keep rolling.